Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. You caught me working in the yard today with this. It's the Din Share. This is a blower and vacuum. Great sweep, and it's really powerful with 20 volts, 2 amp max lithium battery, and these batteries are super lightweight so you can carry them and really enjoy them. So we're going to show some up close of the product, some actual use and some overlays. So let's go ahead and kick it off right about now. Now first, I really do love how lightweight this is. You can carry this around the yard, sweep, and get a lot of use out of it, and not have to worry about a cord, not have to worry about unwinding a cord. Just grab it at any time, keep it out on the front porch, clean up the porch every day, and put it back. It does come with a charger and all the accessories there, as well as all the vacuum accessories, including a crevice tool and just a flat vacuum with 2 dust bins that you can empty out easily. This is a high quality product. I'm gonna show you tons of overlay. And yeah, super powerful. That great orange makes it look construction grade. And yeah, really does a great bit of work when it comes to cleaning out your leaves. Now I live here in Florida. The oak trees just stain up the driveway with the acorns turning it brown. So it's important that I get my leaves off of the driveway immediately so they don't stain the driveway. And this is going to work fantastically for me. You can see easy pull trigger, not going to fatigue your hand. Lightweight, where you don't have to worry about carrying it. This thing is light as can be, and whether you're just sweeping up the front deck, or you just want to clean off a few acorns and leaves, maybe you want to do the entire driveway, this is a great tool for you. And these powerful lithium-ion batteries really are built to perform nowadays. They last and they charge quickly, and they don't have that battery memory that the older batteries used to have. So if you're looking for a great product, it does come with a carrying bag and everything. We'll show you in the overlay here in a minute. But yeah, really a fantastic set of tools. I'm a big fan. This is Elite Demonstrations, where we only show you the products that we consider elite, and Din Share definitely makes it to our list of elite products. All right, thanks again for watching. I'm Adam, and now let's show you the up close and personal. All right, folks, now's the portion of the video where we show you the up close of the product itself. This is just after it arrived. You can see lithium 20 volt, max 2 amp battery. Not ridiculously loud by any means. Now again, I'm just getting used to this product, so learning all the details and everything. Really fantastic aspects to this, and a lot of accoutrement that comes with it. So you can, for storage, you can pull it apart fairly easily, right? Just clicks in right there. It does come with a handy storage bag. This is the Din Share cordless leaf blower. Switch essentially to vacuum mode for all intents and purposes. It does have the vacuum head here, as well as your battery charger and another crevice device, if you will. A couple portable sections and, oh, cool. So the dirt catcher, etc. right here. So I'm really excited about this. Really fantastic product. Great stuff from Din Share. And again, easy to transform. This is brand new, and you can check it out accordingly. I'll put this on here, I'm sure. Switch it to vacuum mode for all intents and purposes. All right, folks, that's the up close and the personal Din Share. How fantastic. Thanks for watching, and say it with me. Adios, amigos.